Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing? I am hoping that you are well. I am doing well as well. Welcome to this vlog and belated Valentine's wishes. Today is 14th of February. By the time you watch this vlog, of course, days will have gone by because I still have 2 vlogs that I have not edited that are supposed to go up before this vlog. Hoping that one will go up on Sunday. Sunday is 16th of Feb. Yeah, hoping that one will go up on Sunday, but we can only hope. I don't like editing at all, and then this phone is giving me a headache. I need another phone. I need another phone. From my mouth to God's ears, I really do need another phone to make creating content for me easier. Anyway, this is the scent of the day. This is In White by Elisab. Let me tell you, this perfume is soft, it's clean, it's chic, it's feminine. Think about a bride and then put the feeling in a bottle. Think about a bride and put the feeling in a bottle. It's so beautiful. And then I have not come across another person who does orange blossom as well as Elisab does it. And then this perfume is all seasons. You can wear it. You can wear it during the day, you can wear it during the night, you can wear it in warmer weather, you can wear it in cooler weather. I love it. I love it. I love this perfume. I love this perfume. I love this perfume. Anyway, I just wanted to introduce this vlog and then I will carry you along. I will carry you along the vlog, so I will see you later. One thing about lashes, they will make you appear put together even if you've done the bare minimum, because I've done the bare minimum and I still look good. I still look cute. This was 3,500. I got the lashes installed by Beauty Heart. She's still the one who did my eyebrows a while back. Her work is amazing. Her work is honestly amazing. I love them. I love them. And of course my hair was installed by Nywele Affordable. They have the best rates in town. If you buy hair from them, installation is 1,000 bob. If you go with your own hair, installation is 1,500. And where is the lace? Where is the lace? They do very clean installs. And we are heading for dinner. I haven't been able to vlog today. We are heading out for dinner. I'm not sure whether we'll be able to vlog because today will be a busy night. Today being Valentine's night, it will be busy. It will be busy. And then I just want to spend time with my husband. So I'm not sure whether we'll be able to vlog. But outfit of the night, coat from Fumi Fit and pants from Femshi collection, and I am loving this. I am loving this. This is giving grown, this is giving mature, this is giving put together, this is giving chic. And then I have worn the same perfume that I wore during the day, in White by Elisab. I told you it's soft, it's feminine, it's classy. I love it. And then I have paired it with very sexy, an oil that I got from a Valentines. That oil is sweet, it's seductive, it's alluring, it's nice, it's nice. So I will just grab my shoes and we will head out. I will see you later, right? Yes.
Out of all the things to say to you, you're my girl and you should know that I love you more than anything. word that I love you more than anything, more than anything you've heard. 1,000 miles could never.
This was days later. I didn't feel like going anywhere and I still needed a Mani-Pedi, so I called the house call nail technician and she came, carried everything with her including the UV gloves, and my highlight from her was her pedicure. Her pedicure was amazing. Her foot massages were good. Actually, somebody confirmed the same when I posted on my Instagram stories, and that follower told me that you can even ask for extras when it comes to foot massages. Honestly, she was good and I loved that I could get pampered and still get to watch TV. That was so good. I wish I knew her during postpartum because her foot massages would have come through for my swollen legs, because my legs got swollen for like 2 months. Anyway, she was amazing. If you need her services, I'm leaving her number on the screen.
I'm starting to believe that you could need me. I built my walls and dug my ditches deeply. Letting someone in ain't always easy when I've been on my own so completely. Years went by with my house on fire and my tears couldn't put it out. Flames grew higher and I heard the choir. I was trying.
Hole. I want to give you a hole and I want to plug you because I honestly think that that's a plug that you need. But before then, how are you? I'm really hoping that you're doing well. I am doing well as well, and I caved and got my first wig that is not in black. This is me getting out of my comfort zone, but I love this color. I think it looks amazing on my skin tone. But I need to do something about this because I don't like this. I need to trim it down to 8 inches. It's a 10 inches wig. I need to trim it down to 8 inches and then I will bob it. But even now, I'm not mad at how it looks. And also, look at my lashes. 2 weeks later, they're still full. They're still looking good. Got them from the Beauty Hut KE and I have not had any drama around them. The glue didn't itch my eyes didn't turn red. The lashes are waterproof, so I've been cleaning my face, have been doing my skincare routine. They have been amazing. The lashes are good. I wish I started installing them sooner because I love how they make you like look put together even if you've done the bare minimum. Like today, I just did my skincare routine and put on a wig and I still look good. Beauty Hut KE are the same guys who did my brows a while back, 2 years or more ago. And also, before I forget, the house call nail technician did an amazing job. You can see her technique is quite good, the way she shapes the nails, her application. This is 2 weeks later and my nails are still looking good, so that's amazing. You can call her. Honestly, for moms who are pregnant, for pregnant moms, for moms going through postpartum, and for people who just want convenience, she's quite good. I wish I knew her during postpartum because if she comes to your house, you still get time to bond with your child. You will breastfeed your child because she will obviously give you breastfeeding breaks and you don't have to get out of your home. She is amazing. Now to the haul. I got my daughter's clothes from Overstock and Imports. They are on Instagram and they are affordable. If you get 1 to 2 sets of clothes from them, it's 1,000 bob. If you get 3 to 5, I had written that here. If you get 3 to 5, it's 900 bob per set, and the more you get, the cheaper it becomes. For example, if you get over 100 pieces and above, it's 600 bob per set, and I think you can start a business with that, and you don't have limitations of like choosing sijui how many of black. You don't have limitations on MOQ. You don't have limitations on sizes. You can choose any size, you can choose any color, you can choose any design, and it will still be the same price. They have retail and wholesale prices. I think I will leave that size chart over here so that you can see, but they are amazing. And also I placed my first Shein order with them. The order is coming this week. I can't wait to share that with you. I have always wanted to shop on Shein, but I didn't want to go through clearing with customs, shipping dramas. I didn't want all that. So when they told me that they do personal shopping, I was like, yes. So the only thing I did, I downloaded the Shein app, I added what I wanted to cart, and then I shared the link to my cart with them on WhatsApp. After that, they told me to confirm the sizes, the color, the quantity, yani just to make sure that what I wanted is what I had put on cart. And then they sent a quote to me, and then after that you pay, wait for 2 to 3 weeks, and your goods will be here, like mine will this week. I'm super excited, super excited, and they are affordable. If they are very affordable. I will also put that here. I will also put that over here. But for orders above a kg, they charge 1800 per kg with doorstep delivery. They are affordable. Where do I start? Let me start with this super cute dress over here, and the quality is good, honestly. This super cute dress over here, it comes with this. Hii inakaa zile dress za scout. But it's super cute. So this is the first thing that I got, and then another dress with animal print. This is cute as well. So there is this one, and then there is another pleated dress over here. This is so cute. This will look so good on her. Tumepata nguo za kwenda kanisa. We started going to church this year, and hakuwa na nguo mingi hivo. I like dressing her up as a girl, so I love putting her in dresses. And then there is this one over here. Hii atavava. Hii ni kubwa kidogo. Ama it's not. Actually, it might not be big, but we will see. This is khaki. This would be nice for safari, for church as well. Got that. And then got this one. Na hope hii itakuwa inamtoshea bado when Christmas comes. So this is a skirt and a top. Super cute. And then the rest are shorts and tops. Like this one. This one is a short. This is a short and a top, which says little lady. Short and a top. And the quality is good. And then there is this one. So girly. And then there's there's this one. This is a t-shirt and a short. Super cute as well. Very girly, very cute. Kids' clothes are very cute. Are so cute. And then there's this one. 18 to 24 months. 18 to 24 months. Actually, I rarely get clothes that ati inatoshea mtoto kabisa. Do kids grow very fast? So ninapeanga at least miezi kadhaa avae. Like this one is for 18 to 24 months. So atavava. The African mommy in me speaking. So that's everything that I got. If you want to get any of these, you can contact them. They are on Instagram. You can follow them as well. But I will also leave their WhatsApp number over here so that you can go talk to them. If you need any clarifications, you can also ask them. But honestly, they are amazing. When my Shein order is here, I will definitely share what I got with you. But I can't wait. Shein has some pretty amazing things. I didn't know that they had some cute bags. When I went shopping, I wanted to buy all their bags. Okay, I got one which is super cute. I can't wait to show you. But they have nice things. They have everything from home decor to clothes to kids stuff. They have everything. If you want to import, overstock and imports are your plug, and we are within time. I didn't want this part to be lengthy. I will see you on the next one. But please give this video a thumbs up. Comment on the comment section below. Let me know if you need clarification on anything. Share it with your friends, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.